it's Lucy and
Ashlyn.
And today we're going to be doing a mystery add-in slime challenge. So we have this like container with with 12 mystery add-ins for slime, and we're just going to be getting white glue and an activator, and we're going to turn it into this amazing slime with lots of add-ins.
Yeah.
So before we begin, make sure you
Smash that subscribe button to join the subscriber fam.
and click
Click
that
the like button if you like it. And comment down below some video ideas for diabetic Lego girl.
Yeah. Let's get started. So first, we're just gonna pour in some normal white glue for the base. Let's try to add a lot.
Okay.
Like not too.
Because you want it to be a big slime.
Yeah. Because
Oh, maybe at the end we can mix both of ours together.
Yeah, and then split it in half.
Yeah.
Or we might, but we might not. In case like we really like the original.
Yeah. And if we don't, then we can make it into one big, massive mystery slime. Well, mystery. I can do it because I'm only human. And then when I fall
Okay,
down.
so show them all your glue.
These Lucy's ASMR. I wish.
Okay. Do you want me to pick first?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see what I get to add. Orbeez. Okay.
And fun. Yeah, I
so
wanted Orbeez.
I think we'll add that once like the slime's activated. So I'll just put that on. Some of them we'll add now.
Water.
Water. You can add that now. There's a cup. Oh, right here. You don't add all of it though.
Only some.
Like only a tiny bit.
That's good.
You can mix it if you want.
Okay.
That'll just make it like a little more glossy and stuff.
Yeah.
And jiggly.
Oh, yeah, jiggly.
Clear glue. So I'm just gonna add a little clear glue.
That'll
This should
make
make
it
it glossy and kind of like avalanche slime.
I've never played with avalanche slime.
I didn't add too much though, because I don't want to like
Okay, I'll
ruin
go
it
next.
with the two glue textures. Ooh, it's getting watery. I don't know.
It's upside down. Instant snow.
Lucky.
I'm
You can add. I think you should add it before it's activated. Like maybe some before and some after.
Okay, I'll add some now.
Yeah, like some now and then some later. I wonder if like these slimes are gonna work, because like she has like water and instant snow. I have like two different types of glue and then Orbeez.
So I'm gonna add some in the middle. Like I add some now, and then I'm gonna like what did
Ooh,
you
big rainbow foam. So I'm gonna add those once it's activated.
You're gonna add everything once it's activated.
Okay, your turn.
Like something good.
It's like water, but at the same time thick. Do you see like
Anything.
anything? So you can pick anything. And if I pick it after, then we're gonna have to share.
Shaving cream.
Okay, you can add that now. And I hope I get shaving cream, because I want to make it thicker. Shake it up.
I did.
Wait, I don't think that's like a good one. I think that one's watery, so I'm gonna try.
Do you like shake
You want me to try?
it? Yeah.
Why are they so watery? I'm gonna try to get a good one. This one sounds good, except it's like really empty. That's better.
Okay. Thank you, bestie.
Okay. I really want shaving cream.
And then imagine if you get shaving cream. I'm gonna add one like every time we get something new.
Pink foam beads. Can you hand me those?
Yeah. Oh no, my finger
And
got
also
in it.
we're gonna we have some food dyes, and food dye is not an option, but we're just gonna close your eyes and pick one food dye.
Yeah.
Your turn.
I'm just mixing it up since I added some instant snow.
Look, it's like already forming slime. Do you see that? And I haven't even added activator, but I'm not gonna touch it.
What? Cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
I feel like that's gonna like.
Oh yeah, the cornstarch is still in there. We never got it out. It was buried deep into that
Into Lucy's big.
slime world.
I just realized something. I added cornstarch and instant snow, which is kind of the same, but not really.
Not the same, but foaming hand soap.
Because I don't think that was good.
Okay, I'm adding some foaming soap.
It won't go in. It's fine.
That much. Can you put that back?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Maybe we're
This
not
might
gonna
thicken it though, so like kind of like shaving cream would. Okay, your turn, right? We have 2 more. I hope I get shaving
Oh
cream.
yeah, I need to add instant snow.
If you want, you don't have to though. Okay.
And want to make it pop. Mix them, mix them, mix them. Wait, didn't I just go?
No, I just went
Oh, yeah.
filming, so
Rainbow
foam beads.
foam beads.
So that's up there. I really want shaving cream.
Oh, I think that might be it.
There's shaving cream or white foam beads. Shaving cream.
Shaving cream.
White foam beads.
I can add shaving cream again.
And I'm just gonna pull this out for you. I think it's shaving cream. Yeah, shaving cream.
I'll add it again, I guess.
Here.
I feel bad for you.
At least I got foaming soap.
Yeah, it's kind of like shaving cream.
Yeah, because you need to go. That's enough. Because we already added some.
This is gonna be like a weird slime. Time
Yeah,
for
so
the
is
food dye. Wait, no, the baking soda.
Well, we add food dye first.
Yeah.
Okay, so in here I just added a bunch of food dyes, so I can make choose one.
Cheers.
I got green.
Um,
I'm gonna make it like a mint green, which I think is one of Ashlyn's favorite colors.
yeah, it is. I can't tell if like this is blue, I believe.
Yeah, I don't think I have much left of that, so if it doesn't come out, you can just use another blue. Just try mixing it. This is really forming, guys. Like, look. I can like feel it thickening on
I want
the
it to be
skin.
like a sky blue. Sky blue is one of my other favorite colors too.
It's not mixing.
I
Try
don't know.
adding some of the
Pink.
Wait, no, you can't pick the color.
I broke the rule. She broke the world. The rules. Dun, dun, dun. I have another shade of blue. I don't think this is coming out well.
Yeah.
Gum color. That was weird.
And I got my color too. Mine is really thickening, but at the same time it feels liquidy. So we just need to activate it, and then I need to add 3 different foam beads, and she just needs to add 1 type of foam bead and some more fake snow. So can you?
That would be fun.
Yeah, I hope it works for both of us. The
Yeah.
activator is lovely. Mine I feel like will be really glossy because of the 2 different types of glue.
Oh, that's true.
It's I almost called you Grace because I've done so many videos with Grace lately. But look at how like thick it's getting
so cool.
without even with.
Wait, did you say you almost called me Grace?
Yeah.
You like Grace more than me, I'm joking. You like both of us equally. No. I got some on the floor.
Thicky. Thicky. Like I can actually play with like a tiny piece in my hand.
You know, I'm just gonna do this.
Be careful though, because we don't want to overactivate.
Oh, just perfect amount. I think.
Look how thick mine's getting. It's weird. Without even adding any contact solution.
I need to add more instant snow.
You can add it once it's like fully active.
No.
I wonder how mine's gonna be with Orbeez.
Oh
I've never made a slime with Orbeez, have you?
No. I only make slime at your house because I don't have glue or the type of ingredient.
Oh, that's so sticky.
Unless my mom wouldn't let me. This isn't such a great color, but it's also like chunky because of the instant snow.
We'll get back to you in a few minutes once we have activated. Okay, so now we're about to add the add-ins. Now that we have fully activated our slimes, but that's a really bad view. Do you want to show them your slime, and then I'll show them mine?
Yeah. Pink got in my slime. I'm gonna,
Mine is more like glossy and pokey.
and mine's more fluffy.
Yeah, like fluffy and thick, a little stretchy, and then mine's more like thick and glossy.
Oh, it's like butter slime.
Oh yeah, because of the fake snow makes it a little bit buttery. Okay. I'm gonna add my Orbeez. I'm really scared that it's gonna fail because I've
That's it.
never added Orbeez to slime. I'm not gonna add too many though.
Like only like 10 or less.
Or 5.
Oh,
Like a
it'll get
handful.
it'll get crunched.
Oh my god.
It's gonna get crunched.
Ew.
What?
Ew, it's all watery.
That's what Orbeez are supposed to do.
You can start adding like your foam beads or something.
That's cool. It's so satisfying.
My Orbeez are like getting crushed in the slime. I'm trying to knead it. It feels so weird. I don't know
Can
if
I
like
feel?
it.
I'm gonna add
Yeah,
my
once I
add
actually
in.
like get it in. They're like bouncing everywhere. I don't know if I like it. When I squeeze it, they all come out. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't really like it.
You like stretch it out to add.
Oh no, they're cutting everywhere. Oh no. Guys, when I squeeze it, they come out.
Loosens.
When you
Where's the?
You're not staying in, guys.
I'm like, this is gonna like make
I'm
it
sad.
like less meh. Ooh, I added way too much. I mean, like not too much, but like.
Whenever I squeeze it, they get out and they go everywhere. Okay, now that I'm like kneading it, they're kind of getting more into the slime, if you know what I mean.
Into the slime. I don't know why I did that. Oh, I'm gonna collect an Orbeez. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. No. Let's see. Do you do me to try to add some Orbeez?
No, because that would be cheating. 'Cause you get them. My Orbeez are going everywhere, you guys.
So cool.
Like when you need to like really knead it if you want to add Orbeez to slime. Once it gets full.
No, you guys know, don't add Orbeez to slime.
Unless you like have a lot of time to knead it and let it get into the slime.
Yeah, like if you don't have any homework, if you're a kid.
Okay, you can start adding some more add-ins if you want.
Wait, what add-ins did I get?
Fake snow.
I already added that though.
You can add more though if you want. Okay, I'm gonna add foam beads. Maybe that'll make it like more like come together better. So I'm gonna like not mix it yet. I'm gonna add.
Before our camera, you said that it would melt.
Yeah, it melts the slime.
I'll add some more activator if I can.
I'm just adding like a little bit of.
So jiggly. Nobody touching my stuff. Oh my gosh, you have so many add-ins. You
I
have
know.
like Orbeez.
But you have like shaving cream and stuff.
Yeah.
I really like my slime though, except
Where's
the
the
Orbeez are
activator?
not that.
Where's the activator?
Up. Where is it? Okay. Ooh.
You add like a little more, like in the like the little holes.
Oh my god, when I stretch it, the Orbeez go everywhere.
I feel so bad for you, but at the same time, it's kind of funny.
Get-
Now I actually need a minute. Oh my gosh.
And I squeeze it.
Orby went down. Orby down. Orby down.
I need more slime to get the Orbeez to stick.
Looks like a
in.
witch's hat. I'm squinching the witch's
I'm
hat.
gonna like fold it like that.
That was cool. I made a bubba. A bubba.
I'm kind of folding mine.
I feel like I'm kind
Okay,
of
I think the Orbeez are kind of mixed in, and I like it now. Just like play with your own. Which one do you like?
so cool. I like the color.
Do you think we should mix the whole thing together?
No. Oh, no.
I think we should.
I think we shouldn't.
No, because it's a nice slime. It's more stretchy. I think we should. You ready?
No.
You're not even keeping the slime, so it doesn't really matter. Wanna?
fine.
3, 2, 1. I feel like it's making it like
I
bigger.
found like a bit
Wait,
of
no, that's gonna make it stiff. You can start mixing it now since I've mixed a lot of it. It's mostly turning green other than like blue. I thought we'd turn blue.
I like the poking.
Let's both mix it.
Yeah, kind of. Not really.
Okay, so I think this is like our
Our finished product.
of our mystery added slime challenge. Did you like that challenge?
Yeah.
Me
I liked
too.
my color. And I like this color. This mint.
It's like
yeah.
coral mint kind of color.
We should try to make a coral slime.
Yeah,
Like off camera though. Yeah.
because coral's like kind of like light green, right?
I thought it was pinky.
I I think it can be either because I saw like coral picture that was like this kind of color. But it's
Well,
like
I'm
a,
gonna do how about we can make like a
Anyways.
green and a pink one. Make
yeah.
some-
We'll see you guys in our next video.
Ta-da.
Don't forget to subscribe. Join the subscriber family. 1, 2, 3.
Have a loosey goosey day.